like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci.
Hello beauty babes, I am back for real, for real, for real. I've been very inspired to start doing makeup on YouTube again, and this is it. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. And yes, I am baking my eyebrows because I don't know what's going on today, but my eyebrows do not want to be snatched, so let's bake them right now. So guys, I am going to do a cut crease tutorial for y'all, and y'all, let's do this. So I am using two palettes today. I am using the Beauty Bay EYM Bright Color palette. It looks like this. As you can tell, I've been using it a lot because it is so good. It is totally worth the price. And then we are using the Dominic Cosmetic Celestial Thunder palette. Both very gorgeous palette. I'm using the blue shade, which is Pacific Dreams. I'm going on with the shade Pacific Dreams, and I am gonna put it on the inner of my corners, or like on top of my lid, and then I'm gonna bring okay guys, so now I'm going with my Dominic Cosmetic Celestial Thunder palette, and I'm using the shade Storm Dust and Lucid Dream, which is these two. She is a beauty, and I don't know, it's not translating on camera for some reason, but okay. So I use a very sharp wide flat brush. It's amazing, it's the best, and I got it, I think I got it off Amazon. It was like a set of brush, but this is the only one that I liked, the flat one, and I gave the rest in a giveaway that I had a while back. So I put the concealer, and then I always give myself an extra crease because I do not have any. So I go below. Okay, once your crease is cut, this is where you can get wild, do whatever you want, and it's my favorite part. So I'm going back with the bright color from Beauty Bay. It's amazing color, Hello Sunshine, which is the yellow, which basically very much match the name because yellow is sunshine. Okay, not the point. So I'm gonna put it right on my corners, water corners, and this is gonna like act as my corners. I slouch a lot. I forgot how to do YouTube. So guys, things have been weird these days. I hope everyone is doing good in quarantine. I hate quarantine, y'all, because I don't work, and it's mostly like school, Instagram, TikTok, and then school again. Which is not school because it's online, but anyways. Going back with the Dominic Cosmetic palette, and I'm going to use the color Lucid Dream. And I'm gonna put it right next to Sunshine. Going with Specific Dreams. Okay, what's up with the all dream shit going on here? which is the blue, and we're gonna put the blue right next to Lucid Dream. Now that everything is clean, we need some sparkles, which is this very beautiful sparkle eyeshadow, and we're gonna put it right in the middle of this. And then you're gonna highlight your brow bone just to like pop the look out. I always use the iconic London Pop Set Glow to like spray my brush a little bit, get it wet. And then this has been my favorite to use on my brow bone, and it's the It's Beauty glitter shadow, and this is the shade French Vanilla. As you guys can see, it's like almost done, and I'm so sad, but it's amazing. It gives your brow bone this amazing glow. It's just stunning. She's gorgeous. Let me show y'all. She is life. So I'm gonna do this eyes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that both eyes are done, we have to put on some lashes to bring this look together. And oh my god, I have some new lashes here. I have this too from Glam Queen Lashes. Actually, I have three from Glam Queen Lashes. And then I have two from Beautybabes Cosmetics. They are all like lashes brand on Instagram, and let me tell y'all, the lashes gorgeous. They are beautiful. They are so lightweighted. I used like two yesterday. I think I'm gonna use Bougie Babe. This is the style Xiomara. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Xiomara. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how the lashes look. They are so gorgeous. The packaging, not my favorite, but the lashes are cute. I don't like the packaging because it looks cheap. No offense, but the lashes are very gorgeous. I love the lashes. Okay guys, both my lashes are on. Look how gorgeous those lashes look. Prep our skin for some foundation and concealer and some highlight. Okay, so I've been using the hydration juice from LMS. I like it, it's good. So then I go with the professional pore primer, and I do not put this all over my face. I grab a little bit, a tiny little bit, and then I put it under my eye and on top of my nose, which is where I have the most pores. And it is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I love this. Just use my finger, put some dots. I'm gonna use a flat foundation brush and blend this baby. The Seat London Everyday Vacant Coconut Setting Powder. I'm in my eyes and then dust it off because we don't need this baking. I don't know, it's just baking not for me. I was never good at it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get good at it. Now we're gonna go with the ColourPop Cosmetic Press Powder Brush, and this is the Shortcake shade. It's from the Strawberry collection that I got. I don't know if you guys watched this video, but if you haven't, totally go watch it. just give some color. I never used to like blush, but now I cannot live without it. This is the Estee Do Me Lip Big Highlight Powder. It's amazing. It's a good highlight. It's glowy. You just need to know how to use it. So how I use it, I use this brush right here. It is not a highlight brush, but it works perfectly. And then grab my spray, spray a little, get it wet, 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 wet. And then I go on with my highlight, put this baby on, and then sister, girl, this, oh my god, this highlight is the bomb.com. Okay, I have this unique palettes, I mean this unique packaging, Belle Nudge, I just name, and this is the shade Light and Angels. We're gonna dot this on the middle of your lip, and then we're gonna like do a liner. You know, I'm always like so like confused when people ask me what lipstick are you using. I'm always like, is that a real question? Do people actually ask questions like this? But this is the Dose of Color lipstick, and this is the shade Flirty. I put this on my in the middle. My favorite gloss. If you guys don't know who Bitch Beauty is on Instagram, you are missing out. They are like this lip gloss lashes brand. They are amazing. The lip gloss super gorgeous, and the lashes, if you're like into the natural side of lashes, girl, go check them out because they are the bomb. The bomb.com. Okay, Bitch Beauty. You know what, I think I'm gonna leave all the brand that I'm using website, especially if they are on Instagram, down below. The gloss is so stunning. I'm gonna put this one on, and I think this is one. I think this is the shade Starlight, and it's so gorgeous. It's kind of like glitter. Look at this. So you're telling me you're not in love? Telling me you're not in love? I like a really glossy gloss, but like you really don't have to put it back on the bottom. Iconic Prep Set Glow Spray. So guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you did enjoy this video, to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friend, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below on what you would love to see next, because I am super excited to be back. I hope you guys come back for more, and don't forget to click that subscribe button because it is red, and don't forget to put your post notification on because I am going to be posting a lot more. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.